In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend an email on Ionos. Have you ever sent an email too quickly and immediately wished you could take it back? Whether it was a typo, forgetting to attach a document, or even sending it to the wrong person, it happens to the best of us. Thankfully, Ionos has a feature that allows you to retract an email shortly after sending it. Let's walk through the process together. First, head to the Ionos website. It's straightforward, just open your browser and type in the Ionos URL. The homepage of Ionos will greet you with various options and information about their services. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a sign in option, usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on that. A drop-down will appear offering different areas you might want to access. For our purposes, click on Customer Account. This is the gateway to your personal Ionos dashboard, where you can manage your emails, domains, and more. After clicking Customer Account, another Sign In button will appear. It might seem a bit redundant, but this is just part of their secure login process. Upon clicking, you'll be taken to the login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to type in the one associated with your Ionos account to avoid any login errors. Once you've entered your email, click Next. Following that, you'll need to input your password. Take extra care to ensure it's correct to avoid any unnecessary login attempts that could lock you out of your account temporarily. After successfully logging in, navigate to the email section. This area is where you can manage all aspects of your email account, but today we're focusing on sending an email, so look for and click on the New Email option. This opens up a new window, giving you a blank canvas to compose your message. Begin by entering the recipient's email address. Double check the accuracy of this. Sending sensitive information to the wrong address can be more than just embarrassing. It can be a security risk. Next, fill in the subject line and the body of your email. Take a moment here to review what you've written. It's easy to overlook typos or formatting errors when you're in a hurry. Once you're satisfied with your email, it's time to hit send. This might be where the panic sets in if you immediately realize there was a mistake, but don't worry, Ionos has got your back. Immediately after sending the email, look for the undo option. This is your lifeline, but it comes with a catch. The option to undo your sent email is available only for a brief period. Timing is crucial here, so act fast if you need to recall your message. This feature is invaluable for those moments when you send an email prematurely. This brings us to an essential tip. Always review your email thoroughly before sending it. While the undo feature is a fantastic safety net, it's limited by time. Depending on your server's speed and other factors, you may only have a few seconds to decide whether to retract your email. As you've seen, unsending an email on Ionos is a handy tool that can save you from various email mishaps. Just remember that the ability to undo a sent email is fleeting, so it's best used as a last resort. Ideally, take your time composing your emails, double check the recipients, and review the content before sending. This practice, coupled with the undo feature, will significantly reduce email-related stress. That's all there is to it. With this knowledge, you can confidently manage your emails, knowing that you have a safety net should you need it. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.